Hello and welcome to Portuguese for Beginners. I'm Filipa, your Portuguese teacher, and I'm glad to see you again. Today, we will review lessons 9 and 10 around important verbs, or verbos importantes, and how to conjugate them. Let's start reviewing all the verbs we went through with AR, ER, and IR terminations. We start with ser, to be. Ser. And then we have estar. Estar. Which is another translation for to be. Falar. Falar. Ver. Ver. Ter. Ter. Comer. Comer. Poder. Poder. Dar. Dar. Saber. Saber. Conhecer. Conhecer. When we have N and H together, we have the sound N. Conhecer. Dizer. Dizer. Querer. Querer. Partir. Partir. And partir means to leave, but it also means to break, like to break a glass. And ir. Ir. And abrir. Abrir. To open. Alright. Time to remember some of the conjugation rules we have learned. Conjugação dos verbos. Here is the formula for regular verbs ending with the three main terminations: AR, ER, and IR, all in the present tense. When conjugated, these verbs keep their roots. Only the termination changes, based on person or tense, for example. This applies to the majority of the verbs. The irregular verbs, on the other hand, are a case-by-case situation. So let's consider this table. You have the terminations for each person, and it's always the same for regular verbs. Okay? Okay, moving on. Let's practice a little bit. Here's andar, to walk, a regular verb ending with AR. I will give you some seconds to determine the conjugation of the verb in the three persons of the singular, the ones missing. Okay? You may start then. Eu, tu, ele or ela. Okay, let's see the solution. Eu ando, tu andas, ele or ela anda. Great. Let's do another one. Here we have comer, to eat, a regular verb ending with er. The exercise is just the same, but now with the three persons of the plural missing. Okay? Let's go. Nós, vós, eles or elas. Let's see the answers. Nós comemos, vós comeis, eles or elas comem. Alright, and the final one. Here we have partir, to leave, or to break, as I mentioned. Another regular verb, but this time ending with ir. The exercise is the same, with other persons. Okay? You may start. Eu, vós, ele or ela. Let's check the solution. Eu parto, vós partis, ele or ela parte. Okay, very good. Just remember that for regular verbs, the terminations are always the same. Okay? And this was all for today. Congratulations! You should be proud of your work and progress. See you on the next lesson.